And as you can see, my nails are still rusty, busty, and dusty, okay? Hey besties, welcome back to another vlog. Today is the Monday. We are just gonna be getting ready for the week. My nails are literally dying, so I'm gonna go get those done. And I don't know, that's really all I have on the schedule today. Just do some work, get my nails done. I saw Aaliyah's face posted this picture of her nails the other day, so I want to get mine done kind of similar to that, if you can see it. Hopefully it's focused. But yeah, so I'm gonna try that today, see if I can get that. So I got a waffle maker last week, so I'm about to try this bad boy out. Cracker Barrel pancake mix, everything.
Don't wanna sound full of myself a room, but you looking at no other dudes, cause you love me. I'm sorry, baby. So you think about a chance, you find yourself trying to do my dance, maybe cause you love me. So then we try singing it slow now because you weren't used to how fast we touched. Then we locked eyes, and I knew I wasn't there, and I was gonna tear your ass up. I know that I'm carrying on, never mind if I'm showing off.
Okay, so the waffles is bomb. England ain't got Eggo waffles, and I love me some Eggo waffles. So, you know, you just gotta make do what you just gotta do what you gotta do. I'm sitting here eating my breakfast, watching Victoria Lachey. She's showing her weight loss journey and what she's going through. She's back in the gym. She's doing so good. I'm so proud of her. I don't know if you guys don't follow her now, you should. I'll go ahead and put her channel link in the description. But she's just being so real about like just transparency. I feel like transparency is key in 2022. I love that some of my favorite bloggers are just keeping it real. You don't really get that on social media nowadays. Sometimes social media is just a highlight reel, which is nice because sometimes people don't want to see sad stuff all the time. I get that. But it's good to let other people know that you're human and you have a dirty house sometimes and you struggle with expressing your feelings, or you're going through something, or you're having trouble on a journey. I don't know what's in the water, but all my favorite besties are doing that and I'm here for it. Please don't ask me why there's an umbrella on my son's bed. He loves that thing. I have to hide it or else he'll want it all the time. So once a week I try to switch out his toys. Sometimes I'll be slacking, so literally I haven't switched out since Christmas. So I'm gonna switch out some of these toys that I feel are like a little bit baby-ish, because he's 2 now and playing with lots of other things, or stuff he just doesn't play with anymore. I'm gonna switch that out too. If you can hear that, that's Gina. Gina is ranting. She's spitting the truth though about do what you want to do for you, okay? If this is the year that you want to travel, travel. This is the year you want to get that LASIK, which I felt like she was calling me out for a second. But anyway, she's spitting the truth. So I'm just gonna listen to her while I clean up a little bit. Workout set from Pretty Little Thing. It's from their collaboration with Olympia's Sunny Lee. Love the color, love the print. I've got it on with some Yeezys. Probably gonna put on a brown coat because it's a little chilly outside. And part of me wants to walk. I'll just turn this way. Part of me is thinking about walking to my appointment because it's a sunny day. It's nice out and the nail salon isn't that far. But part of me is lazy. Okay, so I'm back and I'm annoyed. So my nail appointment was for 1:15. As you can see, my nails are still rusty, busty, and dusty, okay? I got myself some sushi to make me feel better. And some miso soup. Anyway though, so I get there at 1:10 because I'm an early queen, okay? I like to be early. And I'm like, dang, it's only 2 girls in the shop. It's only 2 girls in the shop. Keep that in mind. 2 girls in the shop, 3 people in the chairs, right? It's this one lady on outside on the phone arguing with somebody. I walk past her, put my mask on, and go on in. This ain't for you. This ain't for you, cat. So I go on in there, and I'm like, she asking the lady. There's one lady getting her nails done. She already got her tips on, and I'm like, okay, maybe the other lady gonna take me. And somebody else soaking their nails too. I'm so scared I'm gonna spill this. So the lady that was soaking, I was like, she ain't no bother. Like, I got an appointment. They told me, pick my color and sit down. They'll be with me in a minute. So the lady out there was arguing, runs back. It ain't even hot today. It's good though. Y'all like miso soup? Is that seaweed? I don't know what it is. I always leave that. Anyway, so boom. I pick out my color. It's 1:15. Lady on the phone come back in. Lady on the phone, sit down in the thing and say, had a nerve to say, full set. Full set. You know how long a full set take? I'm just here for a feel. Like 1:20 comes. I'm like, all right now. They need to start making some moves or what's gonna happen. So I start doing the eyes. So you know if you stare somebody down long enough, they look at you. So I'm just staring. Looking at both the nail techs. Who gonna finish first? Take me. This little man walked in. I think he wanted a nail tech's husband. He kissed her, bought her coffee. She said, oh, tell him my color. He'll get my color for me. I'm like, oh, all right. We're making process. It's 125. He takes 7 years to find my color. I told myself, if I'm not in that chair at 1:30, I need to walk out. Now, if you know me, you know I'm very non-confrontational. I'm gonna have to do so much editing. I'm gonna have to do so much cutting of me slurping this soup. I'm like, okay, well, maybe the husband does, maybe the husband does nails. He finna do me. That's fine. I'll get in, get out. Anyway, I'm thinking the husband finna take me. Husband pick out my color, put it on the table, and then say goodbye to his wife. Kiss her goodbye. So then it legit hits 1:30. And I'm like, what you gonna do, Mika? What you gonna do? I looked at the lady. She caught my eye. And she's like, oh, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. And I was like, well, it's 1:30. My appointment's at 1:15. And I've been here since 1:10. And she's like, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. And the lady in her chair was like, oh, I have a meeting to go to. I can't be late for my meeting. And I'm like, I don't know if that lady was a walk-in. To be fair, I'm not mad at the lady. I'm mad at the people behind the desk. I'm mad at the nail tech. If you have an appointment, you take the appointment first, right? Put the colors back that I done chose from. I really want to be 16, but it is what it is. And she starts asking me where I'm going, saying 2 minutes. And I'm like, well, no. I made an appointment at a certain time, and you weren't able to honor that. And I have to go back to work because the other lady was talking about her job. So I'm talking about my job, too. Like, throwing it out there. I'm like, oh, it only takes half an hour. And I was like, half an hour? I've been here. Like, I just walked out. I've never done that before. So, I ain't got my nails done. I got content I need to film tomorrow. I'm gonna have these raggedy nails. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And now also, I don't want to go back to that place. Like, should I even go back? I don't know. They done piss me off. I got a few packages. Some are PR and some are stuff I ordered. So let's get into it. First things first, I got this package from Glamnetic. Now, if you're like me and you suck at putting eyelashes on, this is going to be our savior. Okay. So in here, I've got 2 packs of nails, which I wish I could just throw on since my nails are so messed up. I've got 3 pairs of These are gorgeous. 3 pairs of lashes. These are a bit more dramatic. Packaging is A1. Okay. Look a little bit more like everyday-ish. So these are cute. Probably gonna do a get ready with me video. I think the get ready with me video is gonna be like a Q&A. So if you guys have questions and you want me to answer them, now's the time to ask. Go ahead and put them in the comment section. And then the magnetic eyeliner, I'm guessing. Glamnetic magnetic felt tip eyeliner. So yeah, so I'll be trying this out and sharing that with y'all. Next, we got a package from Shein. I don't know. I think I might save this and do a full haul. Let me know if you guys want a haul for Shein. This is actually stuff for Valentine's Day. It's a collaboration I'm doing with them, so I'm gonna wait. So I ordered this the other day. So in my last video, I was talking about how I'm starting to get into fragrances and I'm kind of like on a little bit of a journey. I don't want too many, but I just want to smell nice. Like I like smelling nice. Okay, period. Anyway, so I got Love Don't Be Shy from Kilian, and this scent is everything. Should I do a little opening for y'all? Everything. Isn't the bottle just like gorgeous? I love the bottle. The bottle is very cute. Very much giving what it's supposed to give, especially for the amount that it costs. Next, this company reached out to me called Ashley, and it is like a keychain that you put in your purse, on your phone. Is that my cat? And it's supposed to sound an alarm when you feel unsafe. Okay? Should I show y'all? It's kind of loud, but it's not as loud. But like, it has a light. Yeah, it's loud. I didn't think it was that loud, but it's loud. Yeah, it's really loud. So anyway, so you're supposed to keep this in your purse. I am going to be doing a what's in my bag video, and I think I might put this in there. I might just keep, I don't know if I want to keep it on my bag on the keychain loop or on my keys. Where would you keep it? Next, I got a package from Brassy Bra, and it is their adhesive bra. I got caramel, chocolate, and licorice. What color is licorice? So yeah, so I'm gonna try these out for a video, see if they give you girl some lift. But yeah, that's how they come. Oh, it comes with a test patch. That's good. Looks like there's quite a few in there. And then the next one that I am super excited for is Adore Me. I have decided to elevate my pajama game. I am home a lot. I work from home. Like, I want to be comfy, but I want to be cute. And I'm tired of wearing sweatpants every single day. So I've decided that I want to like have cute jammies to kind of make me feel like that girl. Okay. So first things first is I ordered this robe. It's not your normal robe. I don't know the material on it. Does it say? Rayon, 100% rayon, lace, nylon, 80% spandex. I don't know. This thing is so soft and nice against the skin. Love. Right now, I feel like y'all gonna say this looks, I don't know. I'm just gonna show you. It is these satin pajama bottoms, and they got pockets, detail at the bottom. I love these. These are so cute. Oh, I can't wait to try them on. They look a little big, but we'll see. What size did I get? I got a 0X. I think I got everything in a 0X. I would have gotten a XL, but then I looked at the sizing chart and it was like size 12, 14 might be 0X, so I ain't gonna play no games. What is it called when it like? And then lastly, I just wanted to be cute, really. I thought these were so cute. They've got the little hearts on them. It's kind of like that long john material. I don't know. I would call it long john. Would y'all call that long john? You know what it's like that kind. Yeah. So we've got that, pants, and it came with a little long sleeve shirt. Both very cute. Again, everything in a 0X, which I'm very much excited to try. Gonna be filming tomorrow some content for them for Valentine's Day, and yeah, that's pretty much everything I got. Did I ever show y'all his room? I finished cleaning up his room. Let me see. Yeah, I finished cleaning up his room, taking toys out, made his little bed, organized it a little differently, just so it was his little play spaces cleaner. All right, so I think I'm gonna close out today's vlog. That's it for now. The only thing I'm gonna do is probably figure out what's for dinner and try and paint my own nails for tomorrow, because I don't want to be a hot mess on my content day. Like, that's ratchet. Anyway, though, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of me. Peace.